Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to boost your mobile data speed instantly with these simple settings. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your settings. Now in the search option you have to search for access point names. Press on this. Now click on access point names. Now click on this plus icon. In the name option, you have to type here 4.4.8.8 5G. Press on OK. In the APN option, you have to type here 4.4.8.8. Press on OK. In the server option, you have to type here www.google.com. Press on OK. Now scroll down and go to APN type. You have to set here default. Press on OK. Now go to APN protocol. Set here IPv4, IPv6. And the option of APN roaming protocol, you have to press here IPv4. And the option of barrier, you have to select here all options. Then press on OK. Now you have to save new APN. Press on three dots and click on save. That's it. So this is how to boost your mobile data speed instantly with these simple settings. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.